Okay, heading up into the home stretch, you're now ready to go to File, go to Print, show a printer-friendly view. I'd like you to print the entire workbook, but before we do that, let's go here, go to Letter. I'd like everything to fit all the columns on one page. I don't care about the rows. I'd like it to be landscape so that the paper is on its side, and I'd like to print the entire workbook. In printing that, I go there, and it'll say that it's done printing. At this point, it might start the printer utility. All right, so now you have a nicely printed, finished copy, and you click Save. Looking at your directions, you're going to see that it wants you to save it as ticket sales along with your first and last name. Okay, going back to your spreadsheet area and ticket sales along with your first and last name. I would save it in my downloads folder and I click save. You can now close this out. And one thing that I would do if I have a shortcut, even if I don't, open up a fresh copy of Microsoft Windows in a new window. And down here where it says to upload and open. Again, if you downloaded everything correctly and you have it in your downloads, you would upload now the Excel Lab 3 write-up. Now this is going to open up in Microsoft Word. Okay, and naturally having all this here, you're now in a position to click right here inside the brackets, get rid of what's inside the brackets, replace it with your answer. When you are finished, then you would go to File and you would print it as a PDF. Um, And when you save it, you would probably save it with a logical name, like save it in your downloads with a logical name like Excel Lab 3. Lab 3 write up along with your first name and your last name. That's always good to put in there. And that's really about it. And that concludes this part of the lab. Thank you. Oops.